Need to check your PC's built-in security settings. Opening Windows Security only takes a few seconds. In this guide, I'll show you the easiest ways to open it in Windows 11, plus a couple of quick alternatives. The easiest method is Windows Search. Click the Start button, type Windows Security, and select the Windows Security app from the results. That's it. The main dashboard gives you access to areas like virus protection, firewall settings, app protection, and device security. Another option is through Settings. Open Settings, select Privacy and Security, and then choose Windows Security. From there, select Open Windows Security to launch the full app. Yeah, this method is useful if you're already working inside Windows settings. You can also use the Run dialog for a quick shortcut. Press the Windows key and R together, then enter the Windows Security shortcut command and press Enter. This opens the Windows Security interface directly, so it's handy when you don't want to search through menus. Once Windows Security is open, you'll see the main protection categories. These include virus and threat protection, account protection, firewall and network protection, app and browser control, and device security. You may also see areas such as device performance and health, protection history, and family options, depending on your Windows setup. Before closing the app, take a quick look at the status indicators. A green icon generally means there are no recommended actions, while yellow means Windows has a security recommendation. A red indicator means something needs more immediate attention. If you see an alert, open that section and review what Windows recommends, and that's how you open Windows Security. The Start menu search is usually the fastest option, but Settings and the Run dialog give you useful alternatives. So, whenever you need to check your PC's protection, you know exactly where to go.